guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. We have some amazing deals going on at CVS this week, so keep watching and I'll show you how to save more money. The first deal I'll be picking up today will be on the spend 20 get $5 back on laundry items. I'll pick up the Gain fabric softener on sale for $5.49, and I'll also pick up the Gain Island Fresh on sale for $5.49 too. To get to 20, I'll pick up the Tide Pod, the 25 packs, on sale for $12.99. All three items will total me $23.97, which is above the spend 20. And this will be all digital deal. I'll be using a $3 digital coupon for the Tide, a $1 for the Gain Island Fresh, and another $1 for the fabric softener. After the 3 digital coupons apply, it will bring it down to $18.97, and I'll get $5 back, making all 3 items $13.97 or $4.66 each, which is still a good price. But I have a 10 off of 70 next purchase CRT that I would like to add this deal to. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the Dove Personal Care. It's on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back, a limit of 1. I'll pick up the Body Love Cleanser, priced at $11.79, and also the regular Dove Body Wash, priced at $8.99, which will be the half off. I have a $4 coupon that we got from the 4/16 savings set for the body cleanser. It expired on 4/29, but we also have a $2 in our app in case you don't have this $4. For the body wash, we have a $2 in our app that will apply to it. I also have a $2 email CRT for Dove that CVS emailed to me that will also work with this deal. It will bring it down to $8.29. Then I'll get my $5 back. Then I'll submit my receipt to Shopkick, and I'll be getting 1,250 cakes for doing this bundle. That's why I picked mine up like this. And for Ibotta, there's a $2 back for the body cleanser, limit of 5, but I will be getting just $2 for this transaction. The next deal I'll be picking up will be on the CoverGirl Cosmetics. It's on a tier deal of buy 2 get $4 back, or you buy 3 you get $8 back, and it's a limit of 1. My store don't have the cheaper ones, so I'll be picking up the ones priced at $5.79 each. I'll pick up 3 because I want to max it. And remember, this deal doesn't track. I'll be using this $3 coupon I got from coupons.com today, and I think there is a $3 coming out in today's Smart Sauce in case you have that. And I still have my $3 from last week, the instant CRT we received. After all the coupons apply, it will bring it down to $5.37. Then I'll get $8 back, making all 3 items free and a $2.63 money maker. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the CVS Health Teeth Whitening products. It's on the deal of buy 1, you get $10 back. I'll pick up the one priced at $8.29. That's the 5-minute whitening gel. I don't have any CRT for this, so I have to pay the $8.29. Then I'll get $10 back, making it free and a $1.71 money maker. The next deal will be on spend 20 on any Maybelline makeup or Colgate Optic White, and you get $10 back, limit of 1, but I'll be doing Maybelline with this transaction. I'll pick up 3 of the Fit Me blushes, priced at $6.79 each, which will come up to $20.37. That means I can get my $10 back. And I'll be using a 4 off of 2 Maybelline coupon we got from 430 savings set. And I also went on coupons.com and I printed another $2 that were attached to the 3rd product. I have the $2 instant CRT we received last week, and I also have a 3 off of 15 Maybelline CRT that I got today. I'm adding this to the spend 10 off of 70 because I want the extra $5 to go into the 10 off of 70. That's a good way to combine 2 threshold CRT. These are all the items I'll be picking up in this transaction. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt, and these are all the items I picked up. And all my coupons I showed earlier on, everything applied. The only extra coupon that applied was another $2 coupon for Maybelline in my app. It also came off as well. I ended up using $37 extra care box, paid $1.28 out of pocket, and I got back my $10 for the CVS Health whitening product, $8 back for buying 3 of the CoverGirls, $5 back for spend 20 get $5 back, and a $10 back for spending 20 for the Maybelline. And I got back another $5 for buying 2 of the Dove products. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta. I got back $2 for the Dove body cleanser, and I got back another $6 for the body wash. I think that's a glitch because it's supposed to be 2-pack, but it still gave me the extra $6 back. And I also submitted my receipt to Shopkick. It's still processing, but when it's done, I'm supposed to get 1,250K. The Dove deal ended up being a $9.71 money maker after all the rebates and the glitch. And this whole transaction ended up being free and a $13 money maker. The next deal I'll pick up will be on the Axe personal care product. It's on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2 you get $4 back, and this is a limit of 1. I'll be picking up 2 of the ones priced at $9.49. The second one will be $4.79. The 2 items will come up to $14.29. We all have a $7.50 coupon off of 2 coupon in our app if you did not use yours last week. And today we received another $2 off in our app as well. Both of them will double dip and bring it down to $4.74. Then I'll get $4 back. And I'll also be submitting my receipt to Ibotta to get $3 back on each one of them. If everything works out, it will end up being free and a $5.26 money maker. I'll be adding this deal to a 7 off of 70 email next purchase CRT. I'll be adding the spend 20 get $10 back on Nivea, Aquaphor or Eucerin, and it's a limit of 1. I'll pick up the Eucerin Intensive Repair Lotion, priced at $7.29. I'll be picking up 2. And I'll pick up 1 of the Aquaphor Intensive Therapy, Advanced Therapy, priced at $6.79. All 3 items will come up to $21.37. And I'll be using this $2 coupon I got from my doctor's place, but we have a $2 in today's savings set. I don't have the insert yet. That will bring it down to $15.37, and I'll get $10 back, making all 3 items $5.37 or $1.79, but it will come out better because I'll be adding the 7 off of 70 next purchase CRT. Next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the Boost. It's on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 4 you get $8 back, and it's a limit of 1. I'll be picking up 4. 2 of them will be full price and 2 of them will be half off, and all 4 items will come up to $32.97. I'll be using this 4 off 2 coupon that we got from 312 savings set, but there is a 5 off 2 that we'll be getting in today's savings set in case you have the insert. And there is a matching 5 off of 2 that everybody got today. I have a 4 off 2 I've been having in my app for a while. I don't know if you still have yours. All 4 coupons are going to double dip and come off, and it will bring it down to $15.97, and I'll get back $8, making all 4 items $7.97 or $1.99 each. But if you have the 5 off 2 paper coupon, it will even make this a better deal. That means it will take off extra $2. These are everything I'll be picking up in this transaction. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt. As you can see, all the items I said I was going to pick up, I picked up all of them, and all my coupons came off as expected. The Axe double dip took off the $7.50 and the extra $2, and also for the Boost as well, it took off the 5 off of 2 in the app and the 4 off of 2 in the app, and the first two $4 are for the Boost as well. I ended up using $28 extra care box to pay for this, paid $140 out of pocket, got back $10 for the spend 20, $4 for buying 2 of the Axe product, $8 for buying 4 of the Boost, submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $6. That's $3 each for the Axe product. This whole transaction ended up costing me just $1.40 after the rebate. My last deal for today will be on the spend 15 on any Revlon, you get $5 back, and this is a limit of 1. I'll be picking up 2 of the Color Stay eyeliner pencil, priced at $9.99. Both of them will come up to $19.98, and I'll be using this 6 off 2 coupon I got from coupons.com. We have a matching one in our app, 6 off 2. We also received an instant CRT of $4 today. I hope everybody got that. I have a 4 off of 20 Revlon CRT. With all my coupons and CRTs total $20. That means one of them is going to adjust down, one of the CRTs. The coupon doesn't adjust down, only the CRT. And this will leave me to pay nothing and get $5 back, making both items free and a $5 money maker. Let me go check out and I will see how this works out. I'm back with my receipt. As you can see, it worked out very well. Both $6 double dipped. The 4 off of 20 came off, and the instant CRT adjusted down to $3.98, paid 0, only tax, and got back $5, making both products free and a $5 money maker. If you don't have the paper coupon, you can still do this deal because we have another $2.50 in our app that will double dip with the $6, and that will leave you to pay $3.48, and you get back $5, making both items free and a $1.52 money maker. And I would like to say thank you all for your support and coming back every week to watch my video. And I'll see you all next week. Bye bye.